Hi guys, welcome. This is Mr. Pan doing a review of the class that we had today. It says nouns. We're focusing on people, places, animals, and things. So let's have a look, guys. What do you need? Every class is pretty much the same. You need your module book, a pencil, and an eraser. The students were asked to turn to page 2 of their module books. This is what it looks like. And we are talking about nouns. A noun is something that you can see, something that you can react with. We focused on 4 questions: people, places, animals, or things. So welcome to the hungry cats. And it does say the cat is hungry. So the students were reading the sentences. The cat is hungry. They identify the noun. The noun is cat. So cat is a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Number 1, a cat is an animal. Second question, students, read for me. That tree is tall. So what is tall? That tree. Tree is the noun. So what kind of noun is tree? Yes, tree is a thing. So if the students wrote thing, they got it correct, and that is what we want. Sentence number 3, students, please read. Yes, her father can cook. Her father can cook, exactly. And in that sentence, who can cook? Her father. So what is a father? A father is a person, okay? In English, we say one person, many people. But a father is only one, so we say he is a person. And number 4, students will please read for me. I learn at school. Wonderful. Now, where do you learn? I learn at school. So school is the noun, and school is a place. It is a place where you learn. So number 1, the cat is hungry. Animal. Number 2, that tree is tall. Is a thing. Number 3, her father can cook. Is a person. And number 4, I learn at school. It's a place. Happy place. We like our schools. Guys, have a look here. We are back in the word wall. So students had a fun time working with nouns, people, places, animals, things in a word wall. When that was done, we went down page number 2. And what we did here was go through each of the vocabulary words. So we got a couple of eggs, and then after that, a teacher, number 1, is a person. Homework is a thing. A child is a person. A mule is a animal. It is an animal. A library is a place. A goldfish is an animal. A rose is a thing. It's a flower. And the last one, a country, like Taiwan, Japan, is a place. Now, we played a second word wall with the vocabulary words, and after that, we went further down page 2. We took the vocabulary words we've just used, and we had to place them in the correct columns: person, place, animals, or things. The answers were: person, we had teacher and child. Place, library, and country. Animal, mule, and goldfish. And thing was homework and a rose. Where you see a star at the bottom of each column, students were asked to add their own words. And then toward the bottom of the page, they asked the students to write a silly sentence with as many nouns as possible. Mr. Pan gave an example. It's quite long. It's got 4 nouns. And students can, if they would like to write one with 2 nouns, 3 nouns, 4 nouns, it's fine. Try use as many words as possible. Mr. Pan wrote, I do my homework and eat a rose with a goldfish, in the library. After this, guys, we went on to DR. This is the DR story, A Bed of Roses, which the students were asked to read for homework. What we did was have the students turn to page 4 in their module books. And they did that. And at the top of the page, they started by writing the story title, A Bed of Roses. Following that, we focused on the phonic sounds. The students picked up their pencils and wrote gr, NT sound, I-E sound, U-E sound, and the O-E sound. Then, Mr. Pan said a sentence to the students. The students were asked to write down the answers as best they could. Number 1, it is time to set up camp. Say one more time. It is time to set up camp. So the students wrote down the words. I also told the students that I will not give them the answers today because this sentence number 1 and sentence number 2 are in the DR story. So I wanted them to write down the word and at the end of class check their DR to make sure that they have the right answer. Number 1, it is time to set up camp. Number 2, Jude went to the spot with roses. Say one more time. Jude went to the spot with roses. So, students had to do the same. They had to write the answer as best they could. And finished, they can check the DR to make sure that they got the right answer. And guys, that concludes our class for today. There was one more thing I asked the students to do. It was to read the new DR story. The new DR story is called Swim Like a Frog. I have a YouTube video that I will be posting very soon together with this video, and students can use that video to help them read the story in a quick, efficient, correct way. So that will be from, it says page 58, it's actually page 57. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. So that is the story, that is the homework. Guys, this is Mr. Pan saying thank you to you for watching the review video. Today's Wednesday. Have a happy Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and see you next Monday. Thanks, everybody. Take care and goodbye.